Hey guys, I'm here with an update. On the last video, my brother's truck was hit and he needed a ride. Right now he's driving my daily, so that's good. But he kind of missed his truck or having a truck, so um, he's doing everything he can. Right now he's just waiting for the insurance on the other part to start getting things rolling. Uh, I did get his rims off the last time. Okay, different rims. I did take off a lot of his interior the last time, um, but there's still more to do. And sorry guys, I don't do too many videos at the moment because I do work, we do have other side projects, but for now, I'll give you a tour of his new ride. Sorry, you can't quite see in there, the sun's hitting at a different angle right now. It's 2004 Chevy Silverado. It's a Rival Blue, 22-inch GMC wheels, and it has been dropped, and it has a 5.3 with some engine modifications. I don't know what they are right now because I haven't really messed with his too much. It's been my other brother. My other brother actually started sanding his hood down and welding some spots and ball knowing up here because for some reason they had a roof rack, we believe. But he's been working on that. And on the interior, he's already kind of got most of it off. And he has new seats too. But he wants a total black interior. And I'm not sure you can tell the carpet. The carpet's like a brown. Yeah, brown. And it is a quad door right there. It does have an exhaust. Haven't gone down there to see what kind of exhaust. But it did have a brown interior, which he did not like. Or half brown, I should say that. And he didn't like that the dash bezel right there was painted blue. He decides it solid black. But he did make a run with my other brother to the junkyard and started getting some more goodies. So he got those in I believe in the storage, another storage. And he didn't really want the front bumper how it is. So we went ahead and ordered, that says bumper cover. He also didn't like that the mirrors were fully like color matched. I mean, what he either is gonna do is he already got some mirrors. He's either gonna leave this black where it's supposed to be black and leave that blue, or just leave it the chrome and either blue or black. He said it just meshed up too much, where too many colors. It does have some little dents here and there, which my other brother's gonna fix it up and maybe get it painted right after that. So he got a lot of this already. Oh, and he didn't like the bumper for this one, so he got himself a Denali bumper. He's gonna have to modify it to put it in there, but he's gonna get it under it. Other than that, that's pretty much on this one. And by the way, where they got this one from the junkyard, on my other videos, I was waiting for some other parts, which I already got my parts from my clone. I already got the radiator supports, another bumper, which came off the one from the junkyard for this one. Uh, I even got a wiring harness the last time from a guy from that was selling the radiator support. Got the fenders, and I believe I got the HD hood on that one. So I just gotta start putting that up. So this is it for the moment. I might show some updates as we go by. I'm gonna see if I can install this bumper cover. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Hey guys, here an update with the bumper. Sorry about the AC, it's on. Just kind of noisy, it's hot out here right now. So. But I got these the covers off, the old ones. Off the bumper, that's because that's what you need to do with when you add the SS bumper cover to make it smoother. And as I was going, when I was first taking off the bumper, it had like so many zip ties. Not even kidding. So I got those out. I just gotta pull out the zip ties off of this. Probably gotta get some double-sided tape so I can have the SS bumper held in a little bit with it, but we're gonna do it right. We're gonna have screws on it. So I believe one of the screws actually goes right here on the bumper. Right there. So we gotta make a hole for it. And I think a couple of them actually fit into this. And the rest of them, I'll see what else I can make fit on there. So this, I think this was the hard part of the whole process because I had to get it off. I didn't have enough room under there. There was more zip ties. I didn't have a whole lot of room under there, but I got it off. This fog light that it had was silicone in there, and yeah, it just wasn't a pretty sight. But yeah, this is it for this part. I'll probably update you on when I actually do put it on there. Alright. Hey guys, just an update on the bumper. I got to do other things at the moment right now, so it's gonna stay like this until the next day I get to work on it, or if my brother decides to do it himself. But this is just the mock-up, but check it out. Like I said, it's just a mock-up because we still gotta fix the spacing out here on all threes and up. They were always notorious with the spacing right here. So we just gotta fix that up, and then we'll get everything in there correctly. But just wanted to give you an update on that. My next day off isn't for a couple of days, so probably won't be a video until maybe next week or the weekend. Alright guys.